Hi, my name is Diana and welcome to Real Help. In today's episode, I will cover the Romanian salad subject and teach you the most notorious one made by everyone here, especially in the spring and summer when all vegetables are in season. We have many salads, some of which are made in the winter season, such as beef or celery salad, mushroom or chicken salad, pickled cucumber salad, and many more that all have mayonnaise as a mutual ingredient. And spring and summer salads, which are made with fresh vegetables. In summer salads, tomatoes and onions are the common elements. Usually, Romanian salads are served as a garnish and not as an entree or a main dish. They can get heavy if consumed as a whole meal because Romanians enjoy fat even in salads. And what can be fat in a salad? Well, the oil. Let's jump to the recipe. You'll need a few tomatoes, 1 onion, 3-4 cucumbers, 1 bell pepper, 1 or 2 spring onions, salt, and sunflower oil. It's pretty basic from now on. You just chop all the vegetables in a big bowl, season it with salt, drizzle sunflower oil, and mix. There are many combinations you could try. 1. Salad with cheese and fresh bread to dip in the juice. 2. Salad and eggplant salad with or without cheese. 3. Salad with french fries with or without cheese. 4. Salad with eggs either scrambled or poached. 5. Salad with steak, and so on. The salad itself is very versatile. The vegetables I used are not mandatory and you can customize it as you wish. For example, if you don't like cucumbers, leave them out, or if you like bell pepper more, you could add some more. It's not an exact science, it's a matter of personal preference. You can make a salad out of just tomatoes and onions and still taste great with some french fries and cheese. Romanian salads in general will either have a lot of mayonnaise or a lot of juice. When making a salad, you want plenty of zest to dip fresh bread in. It doesn't matter how you serve the salad as long as it has a good amount of juice. P.S. If you feel like your tomatoes are not succulent enough and there isn't sufficient liquid for the juice, squeeze another tomato to level the amount of fluid you want. That's it. That's how you make a Romanian salad. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.